Me cooking.
Diamond, when's the food gonna be ready?
You didn't want to wake up early, so this is gonna take longer than you thought it would.
I'm just gonna go.
Alright, it's ready.
Finally. What is that? What in the world?
It's your breakfast.
Why is it so small?
Well, you're the one who didn't want to wake up early and rushed me.
Oh, never mind. I'll just have water.
Oh, it's ready! It's ready! It's ready. Time to open it. Look at this beauty. Ding! Oh, the rest are ready. We got the donut. We got the egg, the patty. This is going to be the best meal I've ever had in the history of meals.
Diamond. You cooked